Hey everyone, Harley here. Today I'm going to be doing my own type of version of Harley Quinn's makeup. So let's get started, shall we? First, I'm obviously going to use my toner and everything. I'll be back when my toner is done because just use your own, you don't need to use the exact ones that I use. Right now, moisture and everything's done. Now it's time to do my contouring and all that. So I just simply use these. One for under my eye. Which is pretty simple. You know how to do your contouring hopefully by now. If not, let me know. I'll show you an entire video of how to do your contouring properly. So I'll be back when that's all done. That's all set. I know you can't really see in this light, I'm so sorry. Now for my foundation. I know hers is a lot lighter, but this is my own perspective because obviously I don't even have the long hair for it, but I'm going to do a certain style to do the hair as well. I know I don't have anything to make it pink or blue, but I'll be trying my best, so good luck with you guys doing it as well. Right, foundation's all nicely set, and then I just use loose powder to set it right in certain places, but before I do that, I always do my eyebrows, so I just use this little bit here to wipe off the foundation of my eyebrows, which is pretty simple. Then I go in with my wax to set my eyebrows in the way I want them. Simple as. And then, where did it go? I'm putting everything everywhere today. I do have normally a black pencil, but I think I left it in my bag. Give me a second, please, people. Here's one of them, so I must place it somewhere else. And I just darken my eyebrows to how dark I want them. One thing to remember about Harley Quinn is like the messier it looks, kind of the better, because obviously she's batshit crazy. And then I just use the loose powder. Opening it up is a pain because obviously loose powder. That just sets it. Never need a lot of that, give it a couple minutes to set. While I do that, I always do my contour and my blush, but because it's Harley Quinn, she doesn't really have too much blush, so I might not even bother with my blush today. But I'll come back when I've set this all. Right, that's everything set and blended in with my contour. I've took a tiny bit of blush and highlight on. So now it's for the eyes. Now, this side is blue, this side is pink, because when she stands, if I remember correctly, when she stands, the blue side's always this side. So actually, no, the blue side is this side. Sorry about that. I was seeing a picture of it. So the blue side is always on the left, pink side always on the right. So I'll just do the sides and show you what they look like in a minute. Done the lover. I know it's a bit big, but pink that side, blue that side. The lover always goes on the blue, and then setting powder. Just dab that on to just set it all together. And then like the last thing really is just a red lipstick. And I'm using this one. And she does have like kind of a messed up lipstick look. I have a mirror here, so that's why like I'm looking above you guys. But like that's normal, and then like smeared just a little bit like that, where it's kind of like smeared on her. So there we go. This is my makeup, and now I'm going to do the hair. After I settled it all in. Like, my hair's like this, so I don't actually have the actual length hair for it to do the actual ponytails that she has. But I am going to do it my own little way. I'm thinking about maybe, because obviously her fringe is never in front of her face, have it like this. I mean, looking at this, like, I don't have my makeup ever like this, so I feel like I ruined my makeup and I kind of want to sort it out. But it's for Harley Quinn, and she definitely doesn't care about like what she looks like. And I absolutely love Harley Quinn. I always like, growing up, I was like, oh, she's the type of girl that I want to be like, not as like a killer or a crazy girl, but like she doesn't care about like what people think of her, and she does her own little thing. And it's like, in a way, like, yeah, she's evil, but like she gives so many women like confidence boosters to just like be themselves. So there we go. Got the hair. Or I mean, all I would have to do is just move that out of the way. I could have that up behind my head. And then there we go. Got my Harley Quinn kind of hairstyle and makeup. I hope you all enjoyed it. If you want me to do another person's type of style of makeup, just let me know down below. And I will see you next time. Goodbye!